I'm Jeff McIver from McIver EduBots. Just want to talk to you today about some of the mats that I use in classrooms with lots and lots of children. The mats I'm going to show you are ones that I've had printed on what we call Tyvec material. Tyvec is the material that PPE suits are made out of, and the suits that you see people doing in their hazmat cleanups. It's about the same thickness as your standard cardboard, but it's made of a tear resistant. So if I try and tear that, scrunch it up, I can just flatten it out again. Very, very hardy. So for little feet and hands in the classroom, quite a good material. So that's just a sample of the Edison mat we used for the sumo competition. But I thought I'd show you some of the bigger mats for EduBots. So to get that printed at Officeworks is about $5, so really not worth your while to draw one up on cardboard. This one here is a number line. It goes from 0 to 20. It's printed, this is 2 wide, it came as a 4 wide one. I've chopped 2 off and sold to some local primary schools. But as you can see, it rolls out quite nicely. Generally sits quite flat, but if it's got a bit of a roll in it, you just turn it around and roll it back the other way. So that's the EduBot mat, printed at Officeworks. Again, if you're interested in those, I'd send you the printing instructions so that when they print it, it comes out so that each of these rectangles are 150 millimetres, which is the size for the EduBot steps. What I have here are 2 other Tyvec mats printed at A0 size. This one is printed as a colour plan, so it's costs less to print, and I'll put that price up on the website. And then this one is a poster print at A0. So it's 900 wide and nearly 1200 millimetres or 120 centimetres wide, long. Okay, you can see it's a bit curled up on this side, so all I have to do is roll it over. I can either roll the whole like that if I wanted to, and go right through, or just start at the end I want. So that's Tyvec material, very, very hardy. If you get dirty marks on it, this one here had some footprints and stuff on it. I was able to wash most of it off. There's a couple of little marks there, but still quite usable and very, very hardy. And of course, when you get to the end, you can just grab your mats. I just want to demonstrate this for you as a classroom teacher. Roll them up. And these tubes, this is just stormwater, 90mm stormwater pipe that you buy at hardware stores like Bunnings, with an end glued on one end and a cap piece on the other end. Just pop it in. I can roll up my other mats as well, put them in, seal that up and whack that in your cupboard. Okay, so that's Tyvec material, thoroughly recommended. As I work with thousands of students and my mats get a lot of work on them, and this is by far the best material that I've found. Thank you.